Grid sector 309ers of X-ray-4, marking bearing 045 tangent. Vector alignment sustained.
Launch window X-ray 9er open. Fuel threshold at 60% for task group 38.4. Sortie count incrementing by 12.
Sonar contact 749er passive. Bearing 220 depth unknown. Repeat contact 749er.
Catapult 1 pressure nominal at 500.
Launch authorization code 69er X-ray confirmed.
Sector 260 ascent, heading mark 015. Altitude 3000. Fuel threshold green. Threat classification 9-0.
Radar sweep intermittence.
Vector fragmentation observed. Solution marker 095.
Range 12,000 tangent.
Deflection 9er.40. Damage state code 709er.
Pressure loss in engineering section 4.
Blackout in turret 2. Repeat, Mayday grid X-ray 9er. System failure in engineering block 2. Signal loss imminent. Asset count sustained at 40%.
7 contacts remaining in sector blue.
Vector alignment 550. Task group 38.1. Bingo fuel alert. Squadron 7-2, fuel state critical. No acknowledgement, signal lost.
Solution update. Range 21,000. Bearing 049er. Rate of change -12. Solution locked.
Sonar contact, bearing 180. Classification probable. Contact density spiking. Hydrophone effect high-speed screws.
Signal lag, 4 minutes. Execute order for task 77 delayed. Orders arriving after... Meteorological update injected. Meteorological update injected. Squall line entering sector 4. Visibility reduced to 0. Radar confidence low. Position verification no request. No acknowledgement from Central Force. Requesting verification for task 77. Signal loop.
Depletion. Work on depletion. Quad mount 0 capacity in sector 12%.
Distress packet received. Task group 77.4.3 taking fire. Bulkhead failure.
Overlap.
Distress packet truncated.
System summary. Central Force operational capability at 0. Task group 77.4. Objective screen reduced to 2 holes.
Automated navigation correction. Reference beacons unavailable. Adjust course. Automated navigation correction.
Mayday, Mayday, Tango Delta 9er. Fuel critical. Request immediate vector to nearest recovery asset. Over.
Target lock confirmed. Loss of track.
Target lock confirmed. Loss of track.
Compromised by severe weather interference. Repeat.
Drift 030.
Mark.
Sector clear.
Correction. Bearing. Mark.
Hold.
Copy. Surveillance sector 7 mark. No significant contacts. Bearing 305. Clear. Copy. Hold mark. Status neutral. Status 70 unchanged mark. 70 hold sector. Green mark. Fuel minimum advisory. Mark. Sector 7. Clear. Bearing 065. Hold mark. Status terminal. Recovery window notification. Downgrade non-priority to mark sector 7. Clear. Hold. Copy. Radar unit 4. Mark. Power down. Confirmed. Unit 3. Mark. Shutdown. Copy. Command network. Mark. Descending order.
Shutdown confirmed. Archive mode activated. Hold.
Final operational silence marker marked. Timestamp 05520. Confirmed. Archive closed. Hold.
Autonomous navigation recalibration message emitted once per cycle.
Airspace deconfliction notice issued in neutral system tone.
Engine status telemetry reporting sustained low power mode. Passive acoustic baseline record stored automatically. Logistics network termination notice logged. Flight operations suspended message transmitted system-wide. Fuel conservation routing directive acknowledged by automation.
SATA archival process initiated.
Environmental normalization threshold reached notice. Post-operation state confirmation logged without further output.
Autonomous navigation holding state confirmation logged.
Automatic baseline recalibration completed. Notice logged.
Navigation grid idle state confirmation recorded.
Meteorological dominance flag sustained. Seabed degradation forecast generated.
Ambient noise spectrum archived.
Operational memory purge cycle initiated.
Tactical layer inactivity confirmed. Passive monitoring mode. Sustained log entry.
System clock continuity verification recorded.
Permanent inactivity state marker written to archive.
Baseline stability confirmation packet logged automatically.
Position hold accuracy within tolerance notice recorded.
Surface contamination decay rate logged. Long-term seabed interaction model stored. Hydrographic-only mode confirmation logged.
Meteorology-only data stream sustained.
Archive seal verification completed.
Optical system, low resolution, sustain log entry.
Time series continuity check passed.
Passive observation only state reaffirmed.
Baseline environmental integrity check logged automatically.
D. Drift negligible status confirmation recorded. Optical normalization routine completed.
Corrosion progression checkpoint archived.
Tactical overlay suppression confirmed.
Long-term archival state engaged.
Time continuity verification passed.
Passive historical observation mode locked.
Long-duration baseline stability confirmation logged.
D. Geospatial grid idle state recorded.
Optical exposure equilibrium maintained.
Seabed absorption progression checkpoint archived.
Tactical memory purge verified.
Weather dominant operational state sustained.
Archive integrity checksum confirmed.
Extended passive polling interval logged.
System temporal continuity affirmed.
D. Historical record only state reconfirmed.
Long-term equilibrium confirmation logged.
Geospatial framework dormant state recorded.
Static exposure hold confirmation issued.
Geolol timescale degradation mode logged.
Bathymetric only representation confirmed.
Exclusive meteorological observation mode sustained.
Archive immutability verification complete.
Maximum passive interval mode engaged.
Temporal progression, without state change recorded.
Night cycle baseline confirmation logged automatically. Coordinate strike grid cleared. Recording terminated.
Geospatial inactivity state reaffirmed. Systemic signal loss confirmed. Recording terminated. Strike grid empty. Optical minimum thrust sustainment logged. Tonnage depletion verified. Recording terminated. Strike grid empty. Baseline logged.
Geological dominance mode confirmed. Signal baseline 0. Tonnage assimilation complete. Recording terminated. Strike grid empty. Baselines locked.
Archival permanence lock verified. Signal baseline 0. Archive engaged. Recording terminated. Strike grid empty. Archive lock verified.
Post-temperate sensing mode recorded. Systemic signal loss confirmed. Recording terminated. Strike grid empty. Passive sensors locked.
Zero activity confirmation sustained. Systemic signal loss confirmed. Recording terminated. Strike grid empty. Internal clocks advancing without signal. Void state achieved.
Final silence marker logged. No further output. Systemic signal loss confirmed. Recording terminated.